I'm Tom, and I'm the Flight Director for the Andover Space Programme.
3, 2, 1. We have ignition and we have liftoff.
So what is the Andover Space Programme? Well, we are going to, at the beginning of December this year, launch a spacecraft from the middle of town right up to the very, very edge of space. It's going to float underneath a weather balloon. Looks a little bit like that one. If the wind is in the right direction, you've got some wind calculations behind me here, and it's going to float way, way up to about 30 kilometers above the surface of the Earth, at which point the balloon is going to burst and it's going to tumble back down to Earth. Fortunately, it's going to have a parachute underneath it, and well then, hopefully, all things being well, we're going to be able to capture it using a GPS system and find it again and bring it back. And on board this this spacecraft is going to be a USB stick which contains all sorts of memories and information about life on Earth, and in particular life here in Andover. So today's been day one of my work on the space program full time, and I've mostly been doing a little bit of planning. So behind me you can see there's a weather report here. Let's have a little look. I'll just show you kind of what's going on. So this is the wind here in Andover right now. So there's a northerly wind coming in at about I think 10 knots, about 10 miles an hour. And we've been running some predictions, which I don't have up on screen at the minute, but been running some predictions about where the spacecraft would land if we launched it today. It turns out it would launch in the North Sea, which isn't great. So what we're hoping is that we'll start from launch site Alpha, which is just outside the Guildhall in Andover, and then we'll be able to see it. Hopefully the wind will look a little bit like it does on this map. I don't know if you can see, but we've got it currently projected to land somewhere in the Kent Downs, if the weather is westerly, which is what we're looking for, or southerly, which it is in this particular projection. So, well, we'll see how it's going to go. But tomorrow I'm meeting some of our team from the Andover Young Carers, and they're all super enthusiastic and brilliant, and so I'm hoping that they're going to be able to help me put this mission together and get this spacecraft right up from the middle of Andover to, you know, infinity and beyond. Mission control log, day one, out.